So you want to invest? Let's talk Questrade. Ever wondered how you can take control of your financial future? Maybe you've heard whispers about investing, or perhaps you're a seasoned pro looking for a new platform. Either way, if you've stumbled upon the name Questrade, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into this Canadian online brokerage, uncovering its history, its offerings, and most importantly, how long it's been around. Why is age important? Think about it. Would you trust your hard-earned money with a fly-by-night operation? Probably not. When it comes to investing, stability and experience matter. So, let's quench your thirst for knowledge and see if Questrade stands the test of time. From humble beginnings. The story of Questrade starts in 1999, a time when the internet was still a novelty and online investing was a relatively new frontier. Enter Edward Kolodenko, a visionary who saw the potential for a digital platform that empowered everyday Canadians to take charge of their finances. Fueled by this ambition, Questrade opened its virtual doors, ready to challenge the traditional investment landscape. A disruptor is born. Back then, the investment world was dominated by high fees and limited access for the average person. Questrade set out to change that. They focused on a core principle: make investing accessible and affordable. This meant lower commission fees, user-friendly tools, and educational resources, a stark contrast to the often opaque world of stockbrokers. A recipe for success. This focus on transparency and affordability proved to be a winning formula. Questrade grew steadily, attracting investors who appreciated their straightforward approach. But they didn't stop there. Over the years, they've continuously innovated, adding new features like fractional shares, portfolio analysis tools, and even robo-advising through Quest Wealth portfolios. So, how old is Questrade? By now, you're probably itching to know, how old is Questrade exactly? Drumroll please. As of today, in July 2024, Questrade boasts a solid 25 years of experience under its belt. A quarter of a century navigating the ever-changing investment landscape is no small feat. It's a testament to their commitment to staying ahead of the curve and providing Canadians with a reliable platform to grow their wealth. But age isn't everything. Of course, just because Questrade has been around for a while doesn't automatically make it the best choice for you. There are plenty of other online brokerages out there, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. It's important to do your research, consider your investment goals, and compare fees and features before making a decision. The takeaway. Questrade's story is one of innovation and accessibility. They've carved a niche for themselves in the Canadian investment scene, offering a user-friendly platform with competitive fees. And with 25 years of experience behind them, they've established themselves as a force to be reckoned with. That said, thanks for watching, and until next time.